Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my previous video, I have already discussed the region props property inbuilt function of MATLAB, and I have used area and perimeter to separate or differentiate in between square and circular objects, right? So up to what I have discussed in my previous video, let me just run and show you the result up to what I have discussed. Okay. So if I just run this particular part, you can check my previous video where I have explained in detail all this. I am not going again because there is no meaning in making separate video. So actually step by step I am telling what I have tried to do using these images. This was our original image. Now we have filled all the holes and got this one. Now we have separated the circular objects based on the ratio which I have discussed, 4 into pi into area by perimeter square. Okay, so circular objects we have separated. Then from this we have got circular objects with actual holes. Okay, because this is hole filled, but in actual image if you observe there are holes present, so we have regenerated those. And this is image with hole filled square objects. We have again regenerated original square objects present in this image where holes are present. Okay, now the question comes, consider this image. Let me tell you the question first. So now the question is, identify the square objects that have holes. Okay, so here in this image, suppose you are having this kind of image where many binary objects are present. Here you can see all are square objects. Now see this square and this square having holes in it, so you need to identify these two objects. Now here we can manually detect this, but suppose one scenario appears where you want to automate this situation. In what you can do, obviously for hole counting we require Euler number, right, which I have discussed earlier also using BW Euler, as well as I have discussed how you can write your own code to get the Euler number, right? So now square objects that have holes, right? So what we can do, in using region props we can calculate individual binary objects Euler number. Okay, and from that we can easily determine whether this square object is having holes or not, because if you consider this particular square object which has no hole, okay, so object minus hole, number of object is 1, hole is 0, so for this Euler number will be 1. But for this object, what will be the Euler number? See, object is 1 but 2 holes, so 1 minus 2, it will be minus 1. Here also it will be minus 1, right? So we can put one if else condition and we can easily get that. Okay, so what I have done, see here in PLOM our square objects are stored with holes and without holes. So we are first labeling that BW label PLOM. So num is total number of square objects irrespective of hole is present or not, and ML is my labeled image. Now stats1 equal to region props ML comma Euler number. So we are determining Euler number for each binary object. But note here I am passing the labeled image, not the original image PLOM. Okay, previously like here you can see when I used earlier region props, I passed the original image, like X is our original image, means after hole filling whatever we are getting we passed that. We have not passed the labeled image L, right? But here when you are calculating Euler number for individual binary object, that time you need to pass the labeled image. See, if you check the documentation, let me go to the documentation. Here this is the region props documentation, and if you go to properties, here it will take you to this part, and here you can see Euler number. Okay, read this: number of objects in the region minus number of holes in those objects returned as scalar, right? This we know from Euler number concept. This property is supported only for 2D label matrix. Okay, this Euler number property for region props, if you are using, that time you need to pass label matrix. Okay, that's why what I am doing, I am calculating region props using my labeled image. Okay, and then again I am creating one empty image, that is all zeros image of same size as of my original image. then I am iterating that many number of times, which is equal to number of square objects present in the image. So r equal to 1 to num is basically number of objects which we are getting as second output argument of BW level. I am calculating Euler number for individual, and if Euler number is less than 1 means what? For individual object, if you consider this particular one, see, Euler number will be 1 for those squares only which will have no holes, because number of object minus number of holes will be 1. But if it has one single hole at least, that time what will happen? Number of holes will be 1 and number of object is obviously 1. So at least it will be 0 if at least one hole is present. So if Euler number is less than 1, that means that particular square object is having hole. Okay, so processor equal to processor, thus ml equal to r. We are putting that particular label, all the pixel which is having that particular label in that processor which we have created earlier as zero matrix here, and then here we are showing IMSO processor. So let us check whether processor contains only those square objects which have holes. See, this is our figure 7. Let us check. This is our original image. You can see this particular square object and this particular square object, only these two square objects have holes, and here it is reflecting. Okay, now next question is identify the circular objects that have no holes. Okay, if you take this particular image, here see this circular object, this circular object, this one, 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 all these are circular objects which have no holes, right? So again same kind of property we can apply. So what was our circular objects extracted image? That is this one, right? This is the only image containing circular objects with holes and without holes. That one we have stored where? That one we have stored in this LKPS variable, image with circular object. So we are going to apply same algorithm, first calculating BW label on LKPS, then on this ML labeled image we are using Regionov's Euler number, because Euler number works if you are passing Euler number for the function Regionov's, that time it will work only for labeled image. Then again I am creating one zero matrix processor, and then this time as I have to calculate this, as I have to filter the circular objects which have no holes, so Euler number will be 1. Because for any single binary object, if no holes are present, that means number of objects minus number of holes, that is number of objects is obviously 1 minus 0, because no holes, that should be 1, right? You can easily understand from suppose this particular image. For this particular binary object, see no holes, so Euler number 1. For this particular binary object, what is Euler number? See one hole, one object, so 1 minus 1 0. For this one hole, one object, 2 holes. Okay, so Euler number will be minus 1. For this one also Euler number will be minus 1. For this one Euler number will be 0. So for all those binary objects which have no hole, Euler number will be 1. So we are computing if Euler number equal to 1, we are adding them up in the processor image which we have created as zero matrix here, and then we are showing this. So this image, the last image will contain what? Circular objects that have no holes in it. Okay, so Control A, evaluate selection. If I just run the whole code, see these are giving me those, these are basically those circular objects which have no holes. So okay, you can cross verify. So this is our original image. See, this object is coming here, this one is coming here, this one is coming here, these three are present here as these three, then this one is appearing here, these two are without holes, so these two are coming, this one is present, this one is coming, this one, see this one, this one. Okay, so perfectly we are filtering the circular objects that have no holes. Okay, so this particular function is very helpful region props. But point to be remembered, if you are calculating only area, perimeter, no problem, you pass your original binary image. But if you are calculating Euler number, that time don't forget to pass the labeled image. Okay, and explore more functionalities of region props. Thousands of properties you can extract, and after extracting these features you can pass all these features by some machine learning algorithm and classify or basically recognize some particular shape also, right? So this is all for my this video. Thank you for watching.